Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. So first up here, open up your Ubisoft Connect on your desktop. Go to your profile in the left side corner and then click on Profile. And here, you'll find your profile picture. So click on this one here to basically edit your avatar. Then you have three choices right here at the bottom. So for example, I'm going to select this male avatar, then click on Save Changes. Now, if you ever wanted to change your profile picture or your avatar, so for example, I'm going back to the main dashboard, then go back again to your profile, just select on the Edit Avatar button, and just have to select another avatar right here and click Save Changes. So that's how you basically do that. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.